We're in Marrakesh at the moment. Tomorrow morning, blankets and chargers, solar chargers will arrive. Alhamdulillah, with your support and with your money, we've been able to gather this load. And also we're going to try and get some food and water as well, and rations for the needy people. And we'll be traveling tomorrow morning once it arrives at Fajr time from Casablanca all the way to Marrakesh, where I am now. We'll be traveling another 115 kilometers away to the devastated earthquake site. So may Allah reward you with the for your donations and your support, and inshallah you see us in the Zilzala area. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye. So here we are, guys. We just put a pit stop. Global Welfare Trust. With your donations, we take blankets and goods. With your donations, with all your support, alhamdulillah, all the blankets, and the chargers were taken to the villages. So here we have the full van, alhamdulillah, with your support, and please keep donating.
هو سماكم المسلمين من قبل وفي هذا ليكون الرسول شهيدا عليكم وتكونوا شهداء على الناس فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة واعتصموا بالله هو مولاكم فنعم المولى ونعم النصير. الله نور السماوات والأرض مثل نوره كمشكاة فيها مصباح المصباح في زجاجة الزجاجة كأنها كوكب دري يوقد من شجرة مباركة زيتونة لا شرقية ولا غربية يكاد زيتها